Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to reset a WordPress website and start again with a fresh WordPress installation. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. That's why it inspired me to make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Before resetting the website, let's check how many plugins are already installed and activated and which theme is activated right now. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click on installed plugin. You can see a few plugins are already installed and activated. This is the activated plugins, and check the themes. So hover on appearance and click on themes. You can see currently the Astra theme is activated. Okay, and check the website from the front end. This is the website. Go to the home page. This is the home page. Then about us page and services page, and very last this is the contact us page. So keep in mind, if you reset the website, then all content will be deleted, but your themes and plugins will not delete. Okay, so don't worry. Then again go to the admin dashboard and we have to install a plugin. That is why we will reset the website with a plugin. So hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Search here reset WP. This is the plugin which we will use to reset the site. So install now. Activate. Scroll down, just check where is the WP reset plugin. This is the reset plugin, and you can go to the setting page from here. Another you can go setting page from here. Just hover on tools, and this is the WP reset settings page. So I want to go from here. Open WP reset tool. This is the plugin settings page. You can read if you need. Just this is a table where it shows if you reset the website with this plugin, then which data will be deleted and which will not be deleted. Okay, so you can check it. But very important thing is, just scroll down, and this is the very important thing, site reset. If you reset the site and again after resetting the website, if you want reactivate the current theme, then you can check this box. And if you want reactivate the WP reset plugin, then you can check this box as well, and reactivate all current active plugin, then you can check this box. Okay, basically I don't want to reset, I want reactivate any themes or plugins. Okay, so I don't check this box. Then if this is a confirmation box, if you confirm all settings, then you have to write here reset. Okay, so if you reset this website or you reset site with this plugin, then content will be deleted, all pages and posted will be deleted, but theme and plugin will be not deleted. Okay, so I agree. I want to reset the website, and if delete all pages and post, I don't have any objection. So I want to reset the site, and so for the confirmation you have to write here reset. Okay, so click on reset site. Okay, this is a pop-up. Are you sure you want to reset this site? Sure, I want to reset the site, so reset WordPress. Okay, it resetting in progress and it will take some times. Okay, the site has been reset. Okay, now visit the site. Yes, you can see only default post is showing, and previously this is our website. Now it has been reset, and this is the present look of the website. If you go to the admin dashboard and check just the plugins, you can see all plugins are here only it has been deactivated. Again go to the appearance and this is the themes. Okay, this is the WordPress default theme, now currently activated, and it was the previous theme. Okay, now if you want to delete all others plugin, then you can select and you can delete all plugins from here manually. And in the same way you can delete all themes. If you don't need, then you can delete from here like choose, and this way you can delete the themes. So in this video we have learned how to reset your the WordPress website and how we can start a new WordPress installation. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and inspire me to make this type of helpful WordPress video.